Have you ever wondered what goes on behind the scenes to boost a website's ranking on search engines? Well, wonder no more. Today, we dive into the world of off-page SEO, a powerful tool in the digital marketing toolbox. This refers to all the activities that happen away from your website but still have a significant impact on your site's position in search engine results. It's like the behind-the-scenes crew in a theatre production. You might not see them, but their work is essential for the show's success. Off-page SEO includes aspects such as link building, social media marketing, and influencer outreach. Each of these elements play a crucial role in enhancing your website's reputation and visibility online, so if you've been looking to improve your website's visibility, you're in the right place. Why should you care about off-page SEO, you ask? Well, let's dive right into it. Off-page SEO plays a pivotal role in shaping the perception of your website. It acts like a reputation manager, enhancing your site's popularity, relevance, trustworthiness, and authority. It's like the invisible force that works tirelessly behind the scenes to boost your website's standing in the digital realm. Search engines are like detectives. They're always on the hunt for clues to determine which web pages deserve to rank higher. And off-page SEO is your secret weapon, providing these clues and nudging search engines in your direction. By harnessing its power, you can influence the search engine's decision-making process in your favor. In the grand scheme of things, off-page SEO is a crucial piece of the puzzle. It's not just an add-on, but a vital process that can make or break your website's success. So off-page SEO is not just an option, but a necessity for your website's success. So, what makes up off-page SEO? Glad you asked. Let's dive into the major components, which are backlinks, social signals, and online reputation. These are the heavy hitters that significantly contribute to a website's ranking on search engines. First up, we have backlinks. Picture these as the digital equivalent of word-of-mouth recommendations. When other websites link back to your site, search engines view this as a vote of confidence in your content. But here's the catch: not all backlinks are created equal. Quality matters over quantity. A single backlink from a reputable, high-authority site can be worth more than a dozen from low-quality sites. So, always aim for high-quality backlinks. Next on the list are social signals. This refers to the collective shares, likes, and overall social media visibility of your website as perceived by search engines. While the direct impact of social signals on rankings may be a topic of debate among SEO experts, there's no denying that a strong social presence can indirectly boost your SEO. It widens your reach, increases traffic, and can even lead to more high-quality backlinks. Last, but certainly not least, we have online reputation. This is a broad term that encompasses reviews, ratings, and general sentiment about your brand online. An excellent online reputation is a sign of trustworthiness and authority, two factors that search engines love. Positive reviews on sites like Google, My Business, or Yelp can give you a substantial SEO boost. Conversely, a slew of negative reviews can hurt your rankings. So there you have it, the three major components of off-page SEO. Backlinks, social signals, and online reputation. Each of these plays a unique role in how search engines perceive your site and determine where it ranks among the billions of pages on the web. Understanding these components is the first step towards mastering off-page SEO. So, how can you implement off-page SEO effectively? Well, let's start with the first step: building high-quality backlinks. Backlinks, for those who are new to the term, are links from other websites that point to your site. And let's make this clear, we're not just talking about any old backlinks, we're talking about high-quality ones. These are the kind of backlinks that come from reputable websites that are relevant to your content. Now you might be wondering, how do I go about getting these high-quality backlinks? Well, there are several techniques you can employ, and we're going to delve into a few of them now. First off, we have guest blogging. This involves writing a blog post for another website in your niche. Not only does this help you establish relationships with other industry leaders, but it also gives you the opportunity to link back to your website in your bio or within the article itself. Pretty clever, right? Next up, we have influencer outreach. This is where you reach out to influencers in your industry and ask them to share your content. Of course, for this to work, your content needs to be top-notch and provide value to their audience. And remember, it's not just about getting that backlink. It's also about expanding your reach and building your reputation within your industry. Finally, there's creating shareable content. This could be anything from an infographic, a how-to guide, or a compelling blog post. The more engaging and useful your content is, the more likely people are to share it, and the more backlinks you'll naturally accumulate. So there you have it, 3 effective techniques for building high-quality backlinks. But keep in mind, this is just the beginning. There are many other strategies out there that you can explore as you continue to perfect your off-page SEO game. Remember, the goal is not just to get any backlinks, but to get quality ones. Building backlinks is just the beginning. Let's delve deeper into the next steps of implementing off-page SEO, leveraging social media and managing your online reputation. Now you might be wondering, how does social media tie into SEO? Well, social media platforms are a fantastic way to drive traffic to your website and build brand awareness. When your content is shared on social media, it creates social signals which indirectly boost your SEO. So how do you leverage social media for SEO? The first step is to engage with your followers. This means responding to comments, participating in conversations, and even initiating discussions. When you're active on social media, it sends a positive signal to search engines about your brand and helps to strengthen your online presence. Next, it's crucial to share your content. Whether it's a blog post, an infographic, or a video, sharing your content on social media can increase its reach exponentially. It's not just about promoting your content, though. It's about providing value to your audience and positioning yourself as a thought leader in your industry. Now let's shift gears and talk about online reputation. Managing your online reputation involves monitoring what's being said about your brand online and responding appropriately. This includes addressing negative reviews or comments in a professional and timely manner. Remember, it's not just about damage control, it's about showing that you value customer feedback and are committed to improving your products or services based on it. When you manage your online reputation effectively, it not only improves customer trust but also enhances your brand image in the eyes of search engines. They are increasingly using sentiment analysis to understand how users perceive your brand, which can impact your SEO. In conclusion, off-page SEO extends beyond link building. It involves leveraging social media, engaging with your audience, sharing valuable content, and managing your online reputation. With the right strategies, you can harness the power of social media and online reputation to boost your SEO. Now that we've covered the basics of off-page SEO, let's recap. Off-page SEO, as we've discovered, is an integral part of optimizing your website for search engines. It's the behind-the-scenes work that helps boost your website's credibility, visibility, and ranking. While the efforts are not directly visible on the website itself, the impact it creates is substantial and can be the determining factor between a website that languishes in obscurity and one that ranks high on search engine results. The components of off-page SEO are diverse and interconnected. We've explored backlinks and how they act as endorsements from other websites, boosting your site's reputation. We've delved into social media marketing, which can drive traffic to your site and increase brand awareness. We've also touched on guest blogging, which can establish you as an authority in your field, and brand mentions, which can enhance your online reputation. Implementing off-page SEO, we've learned, is a multi-step process that requires strategic planning and execution. We've walked through the process of building quality backlinks, highlighting the importance of relevance, authority, and diversity. We've discussed the role of social media in SEO, underscoring the need for active engagement and consistent posting. We've explored the benefits of guest blogging and shared tips on how to get your content published on reputable sites. Finally, we've talked about the power of brand mentions and how to leverage them for maximum SEO impact. Remember, off-page SEO is not a one-time task. It's a continuous process of building and maintaining relationships, creating quality content, and staying active on social media. It's about establishing your brand's presence and authority in the digital world. So, while the road to mastering off-page SEO may seem long and arduous, the rewards are worth the effort. With patience and perseverance, you can significantly improve your website's visibility and ranking, and that in the end can lead to increased traffic, more leads, and ultimately, higher sales. Remember, off-page SEO is a long-term process, but with patience and perseverance, you can significantly improve your website's visibility and ranking.